Hello, you're welcome to this video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make nothing less than $1 every 45 minutes using a special website. Now, this is going to be a little bit self-explanatory video, so stick around with us as we go through the process. Before I continue on this very video, my name is Shedrach and I make videos online on how to make and multiply money. I cover cryptocurrency trading, investments, forex trading, mobile development, telecom business. So do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification icon because we'll be making updates like this, especially on the area on how to actually make money without actually spending money in the internet. So if that is what you like to kind of add to your portfolio of making money online, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. For me to get started, we need to use a platform which is called faucetpay.io. So this is actually a free micropayment wallet and earning platform. So what this Faucet Pay does for you is for you to collect your payment where I'm going to be showing you this particular platform that they're going to be paying you for completing simple tasks online. So you need to have a faucetpay.io account to be able to collect this payment. I'm going to be making some reviews on the channel, that's Legit Cash Business TV, on the upcoming series on how to actually open and operate faucet pay accounts and to cash out cryptocurrencies that you have made through any of the platforms that are paying, which I'm going to be making reviews subsequently on the channel. So please don't leave this video without subscribing to the channel because I'll be dishing out content on these categories on how to make money totally free of charge without making any kind of investments, like paying money at all. This is completely free, guys, and you're going to be making a lot of money in the process. So once you have a faucet pay account, the next thing you need to do is to head up to a platform which is called Bitcoin Trophy. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to sign up on my link. Using my link to sign up will give you a lot of benefit because you are on my team and I'm going to be making sure that I teach you everything that you ever need to get started on this platform. So make sure you use the link on the description of this video to sign up on the link on this platform. So this Bitcoin Trophy is a reward kind of a system where you complete simple tasks to make a lot of money in the process. They will reward you as a kind of coin. So you can see my balance on the platform at the moment of recording this video is currently sitting around 44 million token coin. So what you needed to do to earn your in this platform is very simple. All you have to do is to click on any of the categories. You have the micro tags, you have the soft ads, Windows ad, offer ads, faucet. So if I choose the soft ad, we're going to be taking this series by series, but today I'm just going to be exposing you to soft ads so you can actually see how you can earn in this platform. So here I'm going to see, remember that this is my balance, 44,748,000 is my balance at the moment. So I'm going to just show you how this platform works. So you can see the available as I-14, okay, and you can see the reward of token that I'm to get if I complete this task. You can see it here. So this is totally free and the withdrawal is instant, which I'm going to be making reviews on the upcoming series on this category. So here you just have to visit link and stay for 15 minutes, 50 seconds, and then this amount of a token will be given to you automatically on your account. You can see it here. So just visit for 15 seconds, view this ad for 15 seconds, and then this token will be given to you. So what I needed to do is to just click on view. Just click on view. It's very simple. Just click on view. Once you click on the view, it will take you to the tax area where you have to actually view the ad. So once you view the ad, the system automatically give you this token, and this token is credited instantly to your account, and then you can make a withdrawal once you have passed this threshold. Okay, so I think there is some errors here. Okay, let me just okay, okay, yes, telling me about short link. Okay. So you can see the captures. So I need to say that I'm not a robot here to verify this capture. Once I verify this capture, you will see that this amount of token will be given to me automatically. So that's how the system works. So once you complete each visit of a link, and then you will be able to be rewarded automatically. My network seems to be very slow, but that's exactly how the system works. So if you're enjoying value in this video, please do it to subscribe and like and share this video. Comment on this video. Shedrach, please do more video on this, because I will like as many comments as possible in the video. I'll be able to do more videos like this. So I think I've been able to click on that, and then I think the reward is added up. I think the reward is added up. Okay, I think, yeah. So you can see now. Oh, good job. So you can see that 12,005. Okay, this amount of token has been added to your balance. So that is just the good work. You can see I have available token of 12 ounce. Okay, so right now I will just do one just to clear your doubts that everything is working out as I'm saying on this video. So I'm just going to just view this. I'm just going to view that, and then I'm going to wait. Okay, say please wait for 29 seconds, 27 seconds. So make sure you look at the timer as it is timing for you to be able, before you start clicking out of the page. So you have to give it a time. You have to give it some time to be able to end the timing. Okay, so I'm going to wait for some couple of seconds, and then I'm going to solve the capture questions, and then I'm going to get my reward credited to my account automatically by the system. So that's how the system works. I'm talking about Bitcoin trophy. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up to start earning for yourself some amount of token, because on the subsequent video on this, I'm going to be making reviews on how to cash out on this platform, and it is completely free, without no deposit, without no investment at all, guys. So let me go back to my account and then confirm and claim this offer. I believe yes, I'm going to claim this offer. I believe it's up to 20 seconds. So let me see if the capture will come out. I think made a mistake. I don't know, but then that is how to make this. What's it called? Another way you can make money on this platform. I'm going to be revealing several ways you make money on this platform. But what you need to do right now is to use the link in the description of this video to sign up, and then remember that you need to sign up to this Faucet Pay account to cash out. But I'm going to be making reviews on the upcoming series on these categories, telling you everything about Faucet Pay and how to cash out in this platform. You can see my balance is sitting around 45 million tokens. So I'm not willing to cash out now, because I'm going to be making reviews on this as time goes on. So if you like this video, please do it to subscribe, comment, and share and like this video. I'm your host, Mr Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the next video.